I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what, like, at all. Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday. So I've been feeling really bored lately with my hair, and I'm gonna try something that I'm not sure how it's gonna work out, but we're gonna try it anyway. I'm going to do a flexi rod style on my hair. Let's get started. So for this, I have some distilled water. This is what I spray my hair with normally. I have distilled water in here with either like jasmine oil or rose oil. I have all these flexi rods. I have a couple different sizes. I have these orange ones, smaller red ones, a couple blue ones. I have mostly the red ones, so I'm gonna mostly use the red, and we'll see how it works out. We're gonna give it a go. Let me go get a hair tie first. All right, so I decided to do hair clips instead. So I'm gonna part my hair. I'm gonna start with it parted in half. I think I want a side part. So I'm gonna start with my hair parted in half. Then I'm gonna part this half in half. Ouch. Okay, and then we're gonna start from there. But before I start, I have to get my handy dandy playlist poppin'. Please do not wrap your hair too tight, especially if you want to keep this on like overnight or maybe like a day or two. Please respect your scalp. Do not pull it because it will hurt later. Because this is my first time ever doing flexi rods with my Sisterlocks, I'm kind of just winging it and hoping for the best. Each size is different, each rod is different. The chunks, I'm not really being too particular, but just wait to find out what it looks like in the end. Okay, so we're halfway done. I hope this turns out okay, but if not, I can just wash it out because it's wash day soon. Okay, so I'm done with the first part. My arms are super tired. I sprayed it more with water because I wanted it to be really wet so that the, what's it called? The curls could hold a little stronger. I'm gonna just do some regular things around my house since it's Saturday morning, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair later, and then I'll come back so we can take it down and see what it looks like. Wish me luck. Hey, so I'm back. I just finished blow drying my hair and I left my rollers in for about 2 hours, a little under 2 hours. Hey, Rose. So, and I'm about to take it down and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it curled. I didn't actually think that it would curl, but it did. I think I did them a little too tight, but it's okay. Okay, all right, I mean, they did what they were supposed to do. I'm actually not super upset at it. It doesn't look good. I don't think it looks good at all. I can see it looking good later on, or maybe even like the next day. Day 2, this style is gonna be slapping, but right now, as it stands, I'm gonna do like a 360 and show you guys what it looks like from all sides, so. I'm gonna go to my bathroom and I'm gonna see what I can do with what's happening here. I'm gonna see what I can do about this. So let's go to my bathroom and let's take a look. I don't know what's on top of my head right now. Let me do another 360 so you guys can just see what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna use this hair tie to pull it up into a bun to see if I can stretch out the curls a little bit. I mean, it's cute if I do a little something fun. Okay, so I packed my hair up into a bun to try to see if I can stretch the curls out. I'm going to leave this here for like an hour or so, and then I'm gonna come back later. I'm gonna take it down and see if I can get like a nice little wave. I think what I'm gonna do next time is I'm going to get bigger curlers. I've had these curlers probably since like middle school. I'm clearly not in middle school anymore. All right, see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back and I left this in for about an hour or so. It's been days since I got my retie and I'm still, okay, see, this is not it, but you know what? I can already start to picture myself once close my door. Once my locks become like full and like fully formed locks, I know that I'm going to love curling my hair. I'm gonna turn around. They're still like, okay. So that's basically what is going on with my hair right now. Let me see what the middle looks like, if it was a middle part. Oh, no, I know I'm gonna love my hair. I'm not gonna be able to tell me nothing. I know I'm going to love my hair once it becomes like full. and like fully formed locks, because I'm seeing the vision here. I'm seeing the vision. It's just not, it's not hitting where it needs to hit yet, but that's because my locks are still super thin. So this was my Flexi rod out, and we could do much better, but it's okay because I'm only 4 months in, so I can't really blame myself and be too harsh, right? Okay, so it's been about 2 or 3 days since I put the rollers in my hair, and I just was doing some stuff around the house, and I thought maybe I should show what it's looking like. So the curls are still staying. I'm not doing anything at night. I literally just put a bonnet on. And that's it. The curls are staying really, really well. I pinned it up on the side, so it gives it a little bit more shape. I didn't pin it up on this side, but I did pin it up in the back a little bit, so it gives it more shape. So this is kind of what my hair is looking like. This way kind of looks a little funny. Yeah, I primarily wear it on one side, but this is what my hair is looking like after a couple days of wearing my rollers. I actually really like it. It's a style. It gives it a little bit more extra than it was before, so I really like it. I'm probably gonna be doing it more often, actually, now that I see how it looks. And the fact that this is such a long-lasting style. Yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit more of a close-up. Yeah, it's nice, it's flirty, it's feminine, and it's fun. And it was super easy to do, and it wasn't hard to take out. So yeah, that's my update. That's the final result. It started as a fail, but it ended as a win, and I'm super happy and excited about the way it turned out. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna do more styles now that I know that I can do them, right? Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. Bye.